My name is Chirag Agarwal and my roll number is 21BT10011. I am from Section 12 and here is my DIY assignment 2 on TinkerCad. So today I have tried to make a temperature control prototype. So this device can be very useful both at homes as well as for commercial purposes. For example, in industries, chemical reactions occur and we know that reactions give maximum yield at particular temperature. So, as to maintain the temperature or get alert over a particular temperature, this device can be very useful. So, for making this, I have used a blue Arduino board, a breadboard, a piezo speaker, a multimeter, an oscilloscope along with LED and resistor. So, and let's see the code. So here's my code. So firstly, I've used three variables that are temp, Celsius and brightness, and then I have initialized them to 0, and then I have used the pin mode, that is A0 pin, which is the input. So the A0 pin is connected to the temperature sensor, and then the pin mode 3, 7. So the pin mode, this pin mode is connected to the LED and it is the output, and pin mode 7 that is connected to the piezo speaker and that is also a kind of output. So in the loop I have set the base temperature as 40 degrees Celsius, and then I have converted the analog reading to the Celsius by this arithmetic operation. And as we know that data is stored in the 10-bit memory, so it's written here 021, 023. So I have used the temperature ranges from minus 40 degrees Celsius to 125 degrees Celsius. Then, as the if condition suggests, that if the temperature, that the instantaneous temperature remains less than 10 plus 30, that is 40 plus 30, 70 degrees Celsius, then the LED intensity will remain low. 3 means digit right, 3 means LED intensity. And then if Celsius, that is the instantaneous temperature, is greater than or equal to 10 plus 30, that is as soon as it crosses 70 degree, so it will try to alert the person, that is the LED will get high, and also the piezo speaker will start alarming. And as we know that the tone commands allows us that tone pin 7 it allows, and 500 and 400 basically they are the node number. 500 is the node number and 400 is the time, that how much for how much milliseconds do we need to buzzer the alarm. So, and in 500 we know what type of sound do we need. Then we have the delay 200, that is for the repetition of the loop, and the duration is 200 milliseconds, and this delay 1000 signifies that the whole process is completed, like the duration is 1 millisecond after the completion of whole this process. So now let's start the simulation. So during simulation, as we can see, so this is the temperature. Let's move it. So as we move around 79, so we see that the voltmeter, the multimeter reading changes, and also the oscilloscope that there shows movement. And as the temperature gets low, so it automatically switches off. Now let's move to Arduino IDE for the code to be compiled. So here is the Arduino IDE, and here I have copied my code. So now let's see, let's check the board. So board is Arduino Uno as mentioned. Now let's compile the code. So as we see, the code is compiled successfully, and I have saved the code already as DIY assignment 2, as you can see. So yeah, that was it. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.